how to make a sugar scrub that is almost good enough to eat. I'll show you how. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, the top dog of Lucky Dog Creations. Hello, friends. Today I'm going to be doing something new. I'm going to be making a strawberry banana coconut sugar scrub. It's going to be very easy to make, and it doesn't have very many ingredients. Now, the first thing that you're going to need is raw sugar. Raw sugar is a little bit coarser than granulated sugar, which will help in exfoliating your skin. That's why I chose that. If you don't want to use the raw sugar, you can use the granulated sugar. And you're going to need a cup of the sugar. And then next, the organic virgin coconut oil. Now you can use any coconut oil and that will be fine. You're going to use a half a cup of that. Last but not least, I got some freeze-dried strawberry bananas, and I'm going to use 2 packets of that. So let's get started. Okay, so first off, we'll go ahead and grind our strawberry bananas into a fine powder. You can use a magic bullet, you can use your food processor. I have my spice grinder. I'm hoping that will work. So I'm going to go ahead and try that. And it is getting there. So I'll go ahead and finish this up and then I'll be back. Alright, so I did get them ground up. The bananas was a little bit harder to grind. I ended up having to go in and kind of squish them and smash them down a little bit. But it is ready to go ahead and add. So we'll go ahead and get started. So first of all, you're going to add a cup of the raw sugar, or granulated sugar, or cane sugar, whatever kind of sugar you want to use. And then you want to go ahead and add your ground up freeze-dried strawberry banana mix. And it really smells good already. So you don't have to add any essential oils or anything to this because you are using, real fruit, which will have the smell. And you can use this for a facial scrub. You can use this for a body scrub. If you wash your hands a lot, it'll be good to soften and smooth your hands, because you know how dry hands get when you wash your hands a lot. So that is good for that. You can have it, set aside in your shower and just, exfoliate your skin while you're in the shower. And you mix this all up. Now, if you was using just regular granulated sugar, it would be a nice pinkish color. This raw sugar is kind of a off yellow, so it's not a real pretty color, but it's better with the strawberry bananas in it than it would be just by itself. And I'm going to go ahead and get that all mixed up, and then we will add our coconut oil. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. Most of the pieces of the freeze-dried fruit that are in there are not that big, and you can break them up. Or you can leave them because that will also help, with the exfoliating. So we'll go ahead and add our coconut oil. Now, a lot of people actually melt the coconut oil and add it to it when they're making their sugar scrubs. I am not going to do that because you're going to want the mixture to be consistency of wet sand, and this is already almost to that point. So you can just go ahead and put that in there, and then you can mix it up. And you just keep mixing it up until it's all incorporated and the consistency of wet sand. And this is very natural. There's nothing in here that is has chemicals or preservatives. You have, you know, your raw sugar, you have your organic coconut oil, and then you have the freeze-dried fruit. Everything in it's natural, so there'll be nothing that will be harming your skin. Okay, I found it was easier just to get in and mix it with my hand. And as you can see, it is the consistency of wet sand. I just want to make sure that all of the sugar and the fruit are mixed up and that the coconut oil is all mixed in as well. Okay, I am ready to put it in. After mixing up the sugar scrub with my hand, I went ahead and washed my hands off, and they are so smooth. It really works. Makes it feel good, nice and smooth. I highly recommend this. Okay, so I have this cute little mason jar here. It is 8 ounces. I'm thinking this whole thing will go in that. We'll find out. And you want to just put it in there. And of course you want to make sure that it's in a jar that is airtight. And I see a little bit of coconut that didn't get totally mixed up, so I'm mixing it as I see them. And you want to get it pretty full so they have a lot of sugar scrubs to use. And there you have it. I have a little bit left. I will put in a smaller jar. And then we have that. Okay, so here's the final product. My label on the top, ingredients on the bottom, and a nice pretty bow. If you like this video, please hit subscribe, ring the bell so you can get my future video notifications. Thumbs up, thumbs down, suggestions and comments are all welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.